mrbeast, known in real life as Jimmy Donaldson, has turned YouTube into a massive platform for both entertainment and incredible wealth. As one of the most successful and influential creators of all time, he has proven time and again that YouTube is more than just a place to post videos. It's a space to innovate, entertain, and create business empires. But how exactly did mrbeast make a staggering $8 million from just one video? Let's break it down step by step and see how Jimmy's meticulous planning, dedication, and business acumen led to this remarkable financial milestone. The power of unique concepts. I gave away $1 million to strangers. The first step in mrbeast's journey to earning $8 million was the creation of a video that was unlike anything the platform had ever seen before. In one of his signature moves, Jimmy came up with a concept that not only grabbed attention but also left audiences eagerly anticipating his next move. The video in question, titled "I Gave Away $1 Million to Strangers," was not just about giving away large sums of money. It was a highly engaging, high-stakes challenge that kept viewers glued to their screens. The idea behind this video was to create a spectacle, something that would generate excitement and drive massive viewership. mrbeast's ability to come up with these innovative, larger-than-life concepts has played a major role in his success. With this video, he tapped into a powerful emotional connection with his audience. People love seeing real acts of kindness, especially when they are as grand as giving away $1 million. This concept worked so well because it made viewers feel like they were part of something special. The production value. High-quality content. One of the reasons why mrbeast's videos stand out is the high production value. His team consistently produces content that feels professionally made, even though it often has a raw and genuine feel. For the "I Gave Away $1 Million to Strangers" video, Jimmy didn't skimp on production. From the logistics of giving away the money to the actual filming and editing, everything was designed to make the experience feel as immersive as possible for viewers. High-quality content is more than just technical elements like camera work and editing. It's about creating a compelling narrative. mrbeast understands the importance of storytelling and how to keep an audience invested. Each giveaway was designed to be a mini-story, and Jimmy made sure to build suspense and excitement throughout the video. The people involved, the reactions, and the outcome were all crucial to ensuring that viewers felt satisfied, entertained, and emotionally connected to the experience. The viral factor, massive engagement. One of the key reasons why this video garnered so much attention was the viral nature of its content. mrbeast's ability to create videos that naturally encourage viewers to share and discuss them is a big part of what drives his views. "I Gave Away $1 Million to Strangers" quickly went viral, garnering millions of views in a very short period. Jimmy's title and thumbnail were strategically crafted to ensure that people would click on the video. The simplicity and directness of the title piqued curiosity, while the thumbnail conveyed the excitement and thrill of the giveaway. But the viral factor doesn't end with just the video itself. mrbeast has built a massive following across social media platforms. His brand is so powerful that the moment he releases a video, his audience begins to promote it, further enhancing its viral reach. Whether it's through Twitter, Instagram, or other social channels, mrbeast has a built-in marketing engine that helps his videos spread like wildfire. This was key to pushing the video to the heights it reached. Monetization strategies. How the $8 million came in. The key question here is, how did mrbeast make $8 million from one video? There are several revenue streams that Jimmy taps into with every high-profile video he posts. These include ad revenue, brand partnerships, merchandise sales, and more. Ad revenue. As one of the most watched YouTubers, mrbeast enjoys substantial ad revenue from his videos. With millions of views pouring in, the ad revenue generated from this single video was already significant. YouTube's monetization model pays based on views, and videos with high engagement, like mrbeast's, tend to get premium ad rates due to the strong viewer retention and massive audience. Brand partnerships and sponsorships. One of the biggest sources of revenue from mrbeast is brand partnerships. With millions of subscribers, he's able to secure massive deals with top brands that want to advertise on his videos. In his high-budget content, such as the $1 Million giveaway, Jimmy often incorporates product placements or sponsored segments. For this particular video, the large-scale giveaway would have likely attracted multiple sponsors who were eager to associate their brands with the excitement and positive energy surrounding the challenge. Merchandise sales. Another key revenue stream for mrbeast is his merchandise. Jimmy has a large fan base that actively buys products from his online store. From t-shirts to hoodies and limited edition items, his merchandise is a direct way for his audience to support him while also gaining access to unique branded items. Each video pushes traffic to his store, and merchandise sales are a consistent contributor to his revenue. For a big video like this, it's safe to assume that merchandise sales alone could account for a significant chunk of his earnings. YouTube Premium. Another lesser-known way that creators earn money is through YouTube Premium. With this service, subscribers pay a monthly fee to watch YouTube ad-free, and a portion of that money is distributed to creators based on how much of their content is viewed. Since mrbeast's videos often enjoy massive watch time and retention, YouTube Premium would have added another layer of revenue to his earnings from this particular video. Affiliate marketing. While not always visible, affiliate marketing is another subtle way mrbeast earns money. This could involve promoting services, products, or even online courses that he's partnered with. Given his massive platform, even the smallest mention of an affiliate link can lead to significant earnings. The reinvestment strategy, growing the empire. It's important to note that mrbeast's earnings don't go entirely into his pocket. A significant portion is reinvested into his projects. Jimmy is known for taking the money he makes from one video and reinvesting it into even bigger, more ambitious projects. This approach allows him to keep escalating the scale of his content and increasing both his brand's visibility and his revenue potential. For example, after the $1 million giveaway video, Jimmy didn't stop there. He continued to create even more ambitious projects, some even involving multi-million-dollar challenges or philanthropic endeavors. Each of these projects generates additional revenue, creates more brand partnerships, and drives more merchandise sales. This cycle of reinvestment has made mrbeast one of the most financially successful YouTubers in history. The community and fan base, the ultimate asset. Another reason why mrbeast's videos make so much money is his incredible fan base. Jimmy has built a loyal, passionate community that eagerly anticipates each new release. His fans are not just passive viewers, they are active participants. They share his videos, promote his merch, and engage with his brand on social media. This level of community involvement amplifies every video's success, creating a snowball effect that drives up views and revenue. Diversifying beyond YouTube, new ventures. While mrbeast's YouTube revenue is undoubtedly impressive, he's also branching out into other areas of business. From launching the mrbeast burger chain to opening a food pantry and other philanthropic ventures, Jimmy has diversified his business interests to ensure long-term financial stability. These ventures not only expand his brand but also create additional revenue streams that further add to his wealth. In the world of YouTube, few creators have achieved the level of success that mrbeast has. By creating a video that captured the imagination of millions, carefully planning every aspect of his production, and strategically monetizing the content, Jimmy Donaldson made an impressive $8 million from a single video. His success isn't just about luck. It's the result of hard work, innovation, and a deep understanding of both the platform and his audience. So, if you're looking to understand how to turn YouTube into a money-making machine, look no further than mrbeast. His model of reinvesting earnings, creating massive engagement, and building a loyal fan base is a blueprint for success. But remember, at the core of it all is Jimmy's genuine passion for giving back and creating value for his viewers. That authenticity is something his fans and his earnings can't get enough of. If you enjoyed this breakdown of mrbeast's $8 million success, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth content about how YouTubers make their fortune.